In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or change the new email sound in Outlook. If Outlook notifications are distracting, or if you simply want a different alert sound when new messages arrive, this is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few moments. I'll walk you through how to turn the sound off completely, and then I'll also show you where to go in Windows if you want to change the sound instead of disabling it. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, select Options. This opens the Outlook Options window where you can manage a wide range of app settings. Inside the Options window, click on Mail. This section controls how Outlook handles messages, notifications, and delivery behavior. After that, look for the Message Arrival area. This is where Outlook gives you choices for what happens when a new email comes in. To turn off the new email sound, find the option labeled Play a Sound and simply uncheck that box. Once you do that, Outlook will stop making a sound whenever a new message arrives. This is especially useful if you receive frequent emails during the day and want a quieter, less disruptive experience. After unchecking the option, make sure to confirm the change by selecting OK at the bottom of the window. That saves your setting and applies it right away. If you don't want to disable the sound completely and would rather change it to something else, you'll need to do that through your Windows sound settings. Start by opening the Control Panel. In Control Panel, go to Sound and then open the Sounds tab. This is where Windows stores system sounds for different actions and events. In the list of program events, locate Microsoft Outlook. Once you select it, you can choose a different sound for new mail notifications. This gives you more control over how Outlook alerts you, and it can be helpful if the default tone is too loud, too subtle, or just not to your preference. After selecting the sound you want, apply the changes and close the window. The next time a new email comes in, Outlook should use the updated sound. That's all it takes to disable or change the new email sound in Outlook. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your inbox feel much more manageable and better suited to the way you work.